Oh yeah. Look at this. This is severe. Oh man. It's dark. I can't see a thing. Ow. Jeez. Oh. Now this is a severe one. This is an actual severe thunderstorm. I'm gonna keep this out here maybe. I don't want this falling. Nah. Look at there. Wow, look at that. Zoom in. Look at their thing dripping. It's just coming down. Wow. Crazy, 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 crazy. This is insane. Wow. And the EAS came on too, but I didn't film the EAS. I apologize about that. I should have gotten the EAS on tape. That thing stayed on for a while. Holy crow, man. Wow. Look at this. Look at that. Something crazy. I'm gonna have to stay back because it's lightning. I don't want to get struck. Trying to be as careful as possible. Remember when you're filming a thunderstorm to be careful. Well, it's not stopped coming down. You know, it's so dark right now. It looks like it's nighttime dark. It's only 4:45 right now, too. That's how intense it is right now. It won't stop coming down. Oh my goodness. Wow. I'm not getting much lightning strikes with this one though. Maybe just one. Hope I get a good lightning strike, but I'm not getting no luck with that. Wow. Still coming down. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna shut this off now.